swear, these kids just don't even listen to me.
Time to wipe. Bye-bye germs. What the heck?
Oh, hold on, no. Sorry, I was just super thirsty randomly.
Suspicious AF.
What? That we have 2 kids together. We swapped a hell of a lot more than...
Hello.
My grandpa walked by OMG.
Drink it.
I'm good.
Drink it! What just happened?
Hey babe.
Yeah.
There's this new filter on TikTok that shows you what really cute, adorable animal you look like.
Oh, really? Let's
Yeah.
see.
All right, check it out. Ready?
Oh my god! So cute! Alright, my turn. Let's see what I get. Let's see. What the hell is that? I don't know why you're laughing. TikTok, you got me messed up. You got me messed up.
It's
you
payback
got gas
time.
today, did you?
Yeah, why?
You might want to go look at your car.
Did I leave the thing? Did it break off?
Look at that face though.
It didn't.
What is that? With the pump in it.
So thank you. Have a good day. Do I return it? Tap me.
Were people waving at you?
No!
And this is where she starts to
My gas
rationalize.
is paid for. I stopped it. Throw in the trash? I don't know. I'm sure they have extra. It screws on, obviously.
So Alexis is trying to return a pump right now that I actually took from work. Oh, she's gonna be so pissed. So pissed when I tell her. What'd they say?
Literally, he was like, pump 2 already got... Stop fucking filming me!
Oh, I should
Not
let you
funny.
know. Hold on, I should let you know. That was all a prank.
I'm officially dead. Acting like my girlfriend when she gets in the car.
Always rushing me. Kill my dad.
I do not! Wait! I do not get in the fucking car like that! Babe, I do not get in the car like that!
Skin is dry. Knew I should have put lotion on my face this morning. Move. Are you touching my lip gloss? Is my face still dry?
Yo!
What's funny?
You're annoying.
Why is it so dusty? I just got this car. I literally just got it.
I did.
Can you wipe over that?
Yeah, I love you too. Nah, yeah, for real. Nah, I can't come. You know I'm out. You know I'm with my girl right now. I can't come right now, but I'll be back on Wednesday and we can hang out. Yeah, you know you're my number one though. You already know that. You'll always be my number one. And there's really, like, my girl cannot compete with that. Yeah. Yeah, but I'll see you soon. Okay. Love you, Mom. What's wrong with you?
Babe?
Yeah.
Babe, what happened?
My allergies.
You didn't sneeze on me.
I don't know why they're so bad right now.
Babe, you sneezed on my neck?
I'm sorry. I was trying to hug you.
I'm trying not to get sick and you're gonna make me sick?
No, it's allergies.
Oh my god, you're lucky you're so cute. So I'd be so mad right now.
I'll go get you a tissue.
Oh.
Okay.
Jack!
I'm trying to watch the video. Calm down.
Calm! Be quiet!
this. I'm trying to listen.
Zip it.
What the hell was that? Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Don't splash it on me. Come on, let me have it. Can I have a sip? Honey, I was messing with you. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll use my headphones.
I'm sorry you talk a lot. Your phone fell.
Slamming the car door prank on him.
Oh shit, wait a minute, I gotta go get my keys. Hold on.
Grab them.
Alright.
Grab them, babe.
Yeah.
Yo, have you lost your fucking mind?
Huh? What's wrong? I forgot my keys.
Yeah, and you just slammed the door like we're in a fucking 94. Like
oh shit, wait a minute, babe. Let me get my. Hold on a second. I need my protein bar too.
Babe, slam the door again like this is a fucking 84 Corolla and I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Alright, I'm ready to go. What?
Babe, slam that fucking door. I'm leaving you here.
What? I didn't slam the door. It's a TikTok. Babe.
Fucking dickhead.
Look at Joey. Babe, now how would you feel if somebody came in here, got in the car, took the keys, and you can't scare me. Your shoes, I love them. They're so nice.
Don't say shit to her. I got it. Thank you. They are nice because I bought them because I'm his girlfriend, okay? So you don't need to compliment him on shit.
Hey.
What?
You see my phone?
No.
Okay, now find my phone. Let me see.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're not even using the bathroom, bro.
I was
What the fuck was that? What's in your hand? What the hell is in here? Give me your phone. Give me your phone. What the fuck you in here doing? Give me your damn phone.
Give me my phone.
What you got going on up in here?
Give me my phone.
Well, unlock this, motherfucker. Unlock this. Unlock this right now. Are you in here texting other boys? You're not even pooping, bro. You sitting right here with your jeans on.
Mom, I think I'm on my period.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm craving ice cream. I want to stay in bed all day like you.
Jaden, you do know that only girls get their periods, right?
Mom, that's not fair. I want to have my period too.
Okay. What if every month when I get my period, we order pizza, we watch movies and stay in bed all day, and we get ice cream wasted? How about that?
Yay!
Bold filter on
They wanted a
girlfriend.
part 2.
No.
What?
No. No, I
They
got
said-
roasted on the last one.
They said you look like that one character.
Who?
It's really important.
Okay.
I need to tell you something.
Oh shoot, hold on, you're recording too? Is this actually baby number 3 now? Oh my god, baby.
No.
We're gonna have baby number 3.
No, I'm not pregnant, babe.
Then why are you recording?
I have to tell you something.
Oh, little girl, so bad.
The reason why I'm sitting you down is the whole thing right now about Germany. It was a prank.
Lies. Smell that?
No,
It's not Jaden, it's lies.
we're not moving.
Then why'd you let me go down and tell your grandpa we were moving?
That's not what happened. You know how I translated for you? I was actually telling him a story about how we bought another puppy.
You said that we were, I told you to tell him we're gonna search for houses, that we're gonna do all this stuff. Search for a house, shave for a house.
No, that means German Shepherd, babe.
Oh, my life's a lie. My life's a lie.
Look at my cooking my food. Hey, I didn't say it. I have respect for you and I love you.
But you thought it.
It doesn't matter. I didn't say it. I respect you. I love you. And I would never call you that. Look at my princess. Because I know if I said it, you would kick my ass.
You almost did.
I would never mess up like that.
What are you doing? I don't trust you. I don't trust this.
You're gonna hold your hand out and you're gonna guess the stuff
that I'm putting on your hand. You're gonna have
I
to
don't
figure
like it.
out what it is.
Okay, but I don't like it.
Alright, so first.
I don't like it. Ah, scared. Like a bouncy ball.
Well done. Next.
Is that my nail file? That's very painful.
It is. It is. Well done.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay, and last.
Sam, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
You imbecile. You're just gonna be a heart attack.
Baby, what's the difference between a nice girl and a good girl?
What?
Nice girls blush when they watch porn. Good girls smile because they know they can do better.
Farting then telling my girlfriend I pooped.
Please, bro. I told you we should have went to the bathroom. I think I'm gonna poop my pants. Don't be loud.
I literally just said, wait for the freaking airplane. We're about to get on in like 3 minutes.
I think I pooped my pants. Now I have to stand up. I need you to...
Bro, you stink.
It's how you gonna act. Didn't I just say quiet?
You're doing too much. Why are you stepping on me? You're a grown man and you're wearing white.